2021 Chevrolet Colorado. With less than 46,000 miles on the odometer, this truck makes room for the whole family. You'll absolutely love all of the included premium features such as satellite radio, backup camera, power driver seat, Bluetooth, front bucket seats, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, traction control, air conditioning, ABS, power locks, front side airbag, front side head airbag, rear side head airbag, four-wheel disc brakes. Visit our dealership soon and start driving today.